The next page of the survey will look like this. The number of outcomes on each page of the survey will be written at the top of the page. To see an explanation of what each outcome means, click on the blue icon beside each outcome title. To remove this box, click on the X. Using the buttons presented under each outcome, please click on which score from 1 for an outcome that is not important to 9 for an outcome that is critical you think is most appropriate to rate the level of importance of each outcome. If you feel unable to comment based on your experience, please select I don't know. There is space at the end of the survey to add additional outcomes that you think we may have missed. When you've made up your mind, click on the rating you would like to give the outcome. The page will refresh automatically and graphs will now appear under each outcome and will look like this. These graphs show you how different groups called stakeholders have rated the importance of an outcome. These groups are parents or caregivers, healthcare providers, or researchers and academics. Please remember, no one in the group can see other individuals' scores. They can only see the overall result for the group as a whole. The graphs are displaying the distribution of scores by each stakeholder group. The higher the bar, the more common that score was rated for that outcome by that stakeholder group. Based on this information, you can decide to keep your rating for that outcome the same or change it. Through the whole process, you are not under any pressure to change your rating if you do not want to. It is perfectly fine for people to stick with their original rating, even if they rated the outcome differently to the rest of the groups. If you decide to change your score after you have seen the graphs, the page will not refresh again, but your new score will be saved automatically when you move on to the next page of the survey. When you finish rating all the outcomes on the page and are happy with your decisions, please click the forward arrow button at the bottom of the page to move on to the next page.